Hey up everybody, Rob Howard from RJH Motorbike Training. Short video, topic of 2023, a new year, new career. So for those of you that have been thinking about becoming a motorbike instructor, watch the video. Opened up the dates now. Week commencing the 6th of March 2023 for 2 weeks. So that's Monday the 6th of March, Monday the 13th of March, 10 days, RJH Spring 2023 instructor training workshop. Run them for many, many years. Very, very successful. We are introducing, we're bucking the norm. We are introducing a 4-stage payment plan. So our 10-day course, which takes you from 0 to hero, it takes you right the way through to direct access qualified, is £2,000. A lot of money to lay out as one investment. So we are introducing a 4-stage payment plan to make it a little bit easier for you. So 4 £500 payments. First payment at the time of booking to secure that workshop, those dates. Second payment on commencement of the 6th of March, another £500. The third payment would be on receiving your down trained certificate, and the fourth payment would be 1 month after being issued your down trained CBT certificate, which would mean that you would have had a month of earning. So 4-stage payment plan, very, very good. We have 6 places available. Lots of exciting things happening in RJH. Have new schools opening. 2023 is going to be a fantastic year, so we can get you into the workplace. Currently, we are 10 DAS instructors and 7 CBT instructors strong and growing. So if you want to join a forward-thinking, developing motorbike training school, then get in touch. In the description below, I have a selection of videos of how to become a motorbike instructor, a live stream where I talk about becoming a motorbike instructor, and lots of videos of lessons being delivered on CBT. So take a look below. If you want to get in touch, give us a call. We can certainly talk you through. But yeah, look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.